Spending time in nature has been found to help with mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. According to a 2019 study that included data from over 19,000 participants, spending at least 2 hours in nature per week can significantly boost health and well-being. It's easy to forget sometimes that a whole world really does exist outside our door. Making a habit of spending regular time outdoors, especially in nature, can do a lot to boost our physical and emotional well-being. It can also go a long way towards strengthening our bond with our planet and Mother Nature herself.